Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel GK for everyone. Please do keep supporting us. And today is 24th June, and at the very first we are going to discuss current affairs of the day. So the current affairs are as the 24th June, which significance is it is celebrated as National Pralines Day. Pralines are basically a confection of nuts and almonds which are cooked in boiling sugar until they are turned brown and crispy. So on 24th June, National Pralines Day honors the candies made from walnuts and sugar syrup. Chocolates can also be referred to as any chocolate chip cookie that contains groundnut powder, because all over the world the different companies that manufactures the chocolates with the same ingredients, they process the chocolates in a different way to make it unique in their own style. So this is to honor them. So this is it. So next question. What is the first ever commercial variety of watermelon that has been launched recently? Here comes the picture of it. It has been in the news in the recent times. Its name is Yellow Gold 48. Which state government has launched 4-year policy for electronic vehicles? It has been introduced by Gujarat government. With which company has the Airtel partnered to establish 5G network? Airtel has planned it with Tata. Who has become the captain of the Indian men's hockey team for Olympics? He is Mr. Manpreet Singh. Next question comes as, who has become the first Indian woman to be appointed as a member of International Boxing Association Coaches Committee? Here comes her picture. Clue is that she belongs to Arunachal Pradesh. She is Miss Tadar Binu. From which Union territory has a flying officer, Mawa Sudan, been inducted as a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force? He belongs to Jammu and Kashmir. Which program has the Ministry of Tribal Affairs launched recently? It's the program of NISHTHA, Nistha Capacity Building Program. How much percentage stake of the central government of India, how much percentage stake of the Central Bank of India and the Indian Overseas Bank has the government of India announced to sell? It's 51%. Which crop has been identified as an alternative source to produce ethanol in India? Here comes its picture. Can you guess it? Its scientific name is Manihot esculenta. So it's the cassava from which alcohol can be extracted. It's actually native to South Africa, South America, southern countries, and it's a very good source for alcohol itself. So next, some latest news. New Zealand beats India in the first ever World Test Championship final to win their first ICC event after nearly 21 years. Actually, in the last ICC 50 overs World Cup also New Zealand came to the finals, but unfortunately they lost. And this time, in the first ever World Test Championship, they beat India by 8 wickets to grab their Test Championship trophy. It was the inaugural Test Championship final in England's Southampton. New Zealand chased down the target of 139 in the final session of the 6th day. With this, New Zealand won their first ICC event since their victory in the ICC Knockout Trophy final on October 15, 2000, in the year 2000. Okay. The next, the records of the Ravindra Jadeja, who becomes the first world number 1 all-rounder in the Test cricket. Ravindra Jadeja has become the world's number 1 Test all-rounder in the ICC ranking. Jadeja topped the list with 386 points. He surpassed Jason Holder of West Indies, who is currently second with 384 points. At the same time, Ravichandran Ashwin remains the fourth in the all-round player rankings. So this is a proud moment for India that our team member has topped the table. Then comes the Mizoram minister announced cash incentive to parents having highest number of children. The sports minister Robert Romawia Roite has announced a cash bonus of rupees 1 lakh for a living parent with highest number of children and has promoted population Growth in demographically small communities of Mizo in his constituency. They are very sparsely populated, so they has enhanced the population increment. IFCO to set up nano utilizer fertilizer plant in Argentina. IFCO stands for the Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative. It's the largest fertilizer cooperative in the world, and it announced on June 23 that it would build a production facility for nano urea liquid in Argentina. Quipcar, and Instituto Nacional de Asociativo y Economía Social, which stands for INAAS. I couldn't pronounce these words properly. Okay, the three agencies has signed a memorandum of understanding on the same and also important matters related to the cooperative growth and development. Then the next big thing, Microsoft becomes the world's third company to hit $2 trillion market cap. It has become the second publicly traded US company and the third in the world to reach a market cap of $2 trillion on Tuesday, but Microsoft briefly hit this milestone, closing to $300 million US. Under that mark, the market value of $2 trillion US, followed by Apple, which is also publicly traded in the US. So guys, this is all from the current affairs section of today. Thank you. Keep supporting us and do visit our Facebook page gyanbhandar.online for more such updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.